Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make some Halloween boxes. First thing, we're going to start with 3/4 inch thick by 5.5 inch wide pine board. Here we are cutting them at 9.5 inches long, and we'll need 3 pieces to start with. Now take one of the 3 pieces that we cut and cut it in half at 2 15/16 of an inch. Now we'll cut 2 more pieces at 5.5 by 6.5 long. Now we're going to lay out all of our pieces, and that's including the 4 inch by 2 15/16 of an inch piece that I cut off video. The first thing we're going to do here is glue up the sides. Then we'll attach the front and the back with some brad nails. Here we're going to draw a face. It could be anything that you can imagine. I like doing round eyes and a round mouth. It's easier to cut with a jigsaw, and it just looks pretty neat in my opinion. Now we'll drill some holes for the jigsaw blade to fit through. Grab your jigsaw, cut out the eyes and the mouth. You could also use a scroll saw before you assemble the front and back, or some people have even used a router. Here I'll take a piece of sandpaper and smooth out the edges. That way it gives it a cleaner look. Next we'll take it and set it on one of the 5.5 by 6.5 inch pieces. Try to center it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Use a pencil. Mark your lines. Flip it upside down. Add some glue to the bottom, and then we'll attach it with brad nails. Next we'll build a top, 5.5 inch by 6.5 inch piece. We'll connect a 1.5 inch by 3 inch long piece with a 20-degree cut to the top with some glue and a couple of brad nails. Next we'll attach the 4 inch by 2 15/16 inch piece to the bottom with glue and brad nails. Make sure it's centered, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Next I'm going to burn the wood with a small propane torch. This is just an option. I like the burn effect, makes it dark. You can also paint it or use stain. Okay folks, that's all there is to it. You can add some battery operated LED lights that color change for a nice glow effect at night. Also, I hope this video has helped you in some way to build a few of these. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for future upcoming videos. And thank you for watching.